This is one of the most underrated plants out there. Let's talk about Dianthus. Dianthus is one of the greatest plants to have in your annual or perennial garden, and I'll explain why I say for both, because there's a bunch of different types of Dianthus out there. Even if you haven't heard of Dianthus, you've probably heard of her cousin, which is Carnation, because who hasn't heard of a carnation? But yeah, they're related. And I'm told that old timers also call these plants pinks because it looks like the petals have been cut with pinking shears, whatever those are. Old people, am I right? So here's why I like Dianthus, is they are extremely durable plants. So a lot of them are very heat tolerant, very cold tolerant. There are perennial varieties, there are annual varieties, and they come in a lot of different colors, shapes, and sizes. So definitely one to look into because the wide variety of bloom colors that they have now, and even foliage colors, because you'll see some that have kind of a bluish tint to the leaves, they're just fantastic additions to the garden. So definitely check them out.